Hello everyone, my name is Lucas. I'm the Chinese chef Cuisine in Regis Maldives Vommuli. Today I'm going to show you how to make dumpling skin.
Slowly add in some water and start mixing. Do not add in all the water at once. Add in a little bit by little bit. After mixing in a dough, start kneading for about 5 minutes until the dough is soft. Cover the dough to avoid it getting dry. Let it rest for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, you knead the dough again to get the softer and smoother surface. Cover it for another 15 minutes. Now the dough is ready. You can start shaping the dough. Then slice the dough into pieces. Sprinkle some flour. Flatten the dough with your hand before use the rolling pin. Keep rotating the dough while rolling at the same time. And here is your dumpling skin. Enjoy and thank you for watching.